Hi, this is Extend Office. In this video, I will show you how to lock only formula cells in Excel, while keeping all other cells editable. By default, Excel cells are already set as locked, but this setting only works after you protect the worksheet. So the key idea is simple. First unlock the whole worksheet. Then lock only the cells that contain formulas. Finally protect the sheet. First, select the entire worksheet by pressing Ctrl and A. Right-click anywhere inside the selected area. Click Format Cells. In the Format Cells window, go to the Protection tab. Uncheck Locked. Click OK. Now all cells in this worksheet are unlocked, so they can still be edited later. Next, go to the Home tab. Click Find and select. Choose Formulas. Excel will select all cells that contain formulas. Keep these formula cells selected. Right-click one of the selected cells. Click Format Cells again. Go to the Protection tab. Check Locked. Click OK. Now only the formula cells are locked. To activate the protection, go to the Review tab. Click Protect Sheet. Enter a password if you need one. Click OK. Re-enter the password. Click OK again. Now the formula cells cannot be edited, but the other cells are still editable as usual. Kutools for Excel gives you direct buttons for unlocking cells, locking cells, highlighting formulas, and protecting the sheet. After downloading and installing Kutools, click Kutools Plus. Design View. A Design tab will appear on the ribbon. Press Ctrl and A to select the entire worksheet. Click Unlock Cells. This quickly unlocks all cells in the sheet. Next, click Highlight Formulas. Kutools will highlight all formula cells, so you can quickly see which cells need to be protected. Now select the formula cells. You can select them manually based on the highlight, or press Ctrl and G. Click Special. Choose Formulas, and click OK to select all formula cells at once. With the formula cells selected, click Lock Cells. Now only the selected formula cells are locked. Finally, click Protect Sheet on the Design tab. Enter a password if needed. Click OK. Re-enter the password. Click OK again. Now your formulas are protected from editing, while the other cells remain available for normal data entry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips. See you next time.